Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your device OS and the Everything app are up to date and permissions are allowed. Once done, long press an empty area on your home screen, tap Widgets, and choose the Everything widget size that fits your layout. After placing the widget, grant the requested permissions, storage, location, and notifications, so the widget can index content and show live updates. This step unlocks full functionality and prevents missing results when you search. Next, you configure what the widget searches and how it behaves. Open the widget settings and pick data sources, apps, files, messages, and set an indexing schedule so updates stay current without draining battery. Then assign quick actions and default filters like file type or date to speed results. Start the initial index. This may take minutes depending on volume. Make sure to exclude sensitive folders to avoid clutter and protect privacy, and check previews to confirm relevance before relying on quick taps. To finish, use the widget by tapping or speaking a query. Swipe results to open, copy, or share. Customize size and transparency to match your home screen and lower refresh frequency if you notice battery impact. This balances responsiveness versus power. If results look stale or missing, clear the widget cache, run a manual reindex, and double-check permissions. Re-adding the widget often resolves lingering UI glitches. If you still see problems, reboot the device to ensure back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.